Welcome to my kcse revision channel, Teacher Marita, Grigors Boys High School. Kindly subscribe my channel, click the notification bell such that you get notified once I upload a new video. Today we are looking at a question that was set in kcse 2021 about rotation from 2 work. It was a very funny question. Where most of the students never attempted this question. So I completed the figure below to show a rotational symmetry of order 3 about O. So there is one thing you need to understand: order. How do you get the order? So the order, getting the order here is just very simple. So first of all, you get the order. So the order, so we have this formula of getting order is normally equals to P. You take 360, in this case, you divide it by theta. So if we have been given that this order 3 here, so we are supposed to find theta. Our theta now will give us the angle of rotation. So the formula is the order is equals to be 360, you divide by theta. Our theta in this case is the angle of rotation. The order we have been given here, we have order 3. So we can say that order 3 is equals to 360. Now you divide by theta. Multiplying both sides by theta, so you will have 3 theta is equals to 360. So you divide it by 3, you divide it by 3, so our theta in this case is equals to 120 degrees. So how do you get the order? The order is 360 over theta. So if we have order 2, so it means that now we can have 2 is equals to that. So it is 2 theta is equals to that. So if we have order 4, so you will normally take 360 divided by 4. The order is, that is how you are supposed to get the order. Most students failed at this question. So the order is 3. Now, once you have identified this order as 120 degrees, you can now come and draw the figure. Now rotate the figure of order 3. And this is how you are supposed to rotate this one. So if we have our first one here, so we have the first one. So from here, I have drawn the original figure, which is about order O. So from here, we are moving the clockwise direction. So you are rotating. You rotate this one into clockwise direction, following this order 3 of 120 degrees. So what you do, you just take a protractor and measure 120 degrees. Don't just do a rough sketch as what I'm just doing here. Just take a protractor and make sure you measure 120 degrees. So if you measure 120 degrees, I'm just doing an approximate. So 120 degrees, it will be somewhere here. So you will be having somewhere here. So you will be having like that. Now, this one is 120. So we are moving in this direction. So we have this 120 degrees. Make sure you measure. So if you are rotating this one here, then this one will just rotate. It will normally come here. So we can have, if you rotate this one now, this one we just come on this side. So if you rotate that one, you will have that one on this side, like that, like that. So it is not just only drawing the figure, but you are supposed to know the shape. So it becomes like that. So that is what we have. So, and then we have, this is the, so we have from here, the original one, so we have, this is 120. And again now, you measure now from here again, you measure 120 degrees. You take a protractor and make sure you measure 120 degrees. So if you measure 120 degrees, so we just approximate that it will be somewhere here. It will be somewhere there. So here we have this one as 300, no, we have this one as 120 degrees. 120 degrees. So we are rotating. So if you rotate this one like that, it will just come like that. So it will have this shape. So you keep on rotating like this one here. So it will have this shape. So you will have it like that. So now here we have, this is 100 and 120. So 120, 120, 120. So that is how you are supposed to complete the figure. To complete the figure to show a rotational symmetry of order 3 about O. Make sure when you're answering this question, the formula of getting the order, after getting theta, then you measure. It is order 3, 1, 2, 3, so you measure. And then you check on the shape of this rotation. And in this case now, what you need to understand, that we are rotating this one, the clockwise direction. So you rotate 120 degrees, you will be having it here. You measure another 120, so you rotate, so you will have 120 degrees, and then you will also have another 120 degrees. So this is how we are supposed to complete this diagram to show the rotational symmetry of order 3. So if you will be given order 2, you divide 360 by 2. If you will be given order 4, you take 360, you divide by 4. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, click the notification bell such that you get notified once I upload a new video.